Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this we've got a very special casting with us because this is the first time I'll be reviewing this. It's a first time release by Mini GT. This is the Jaguar CX75 in blue. So Mini GT, they have teased this model for a long time, and it's coming out in a very good couple of variations. A few of you have already commented that you have pre-ordered the orange one, so I think it's a very good time for us to have a look at this particular casting because the orange one will have the same level of detail, just the paint will be different, and this is also in this blue color, which should be nice. Number, it is 884. Let's see the back of the box. We've got the Jaguar licensing information. So yes, it is an officially licensed model. TSM logo, branding, hologram, the name of the car, and what is the exact product code of this. Here we get a Jaguar logo in this on the side of the box. Here we get the Mini GT logo, warnings that this is ages 14 plus. It's meant for adult collectors. Let's just quickly unbox this and see what the car is like. So right now, as you can see, as I place the car on the mat outdoors, it's got a very nice Spectra flame. Not exactly a Spectra flame, I'll call it metal flake. So the metal flake finish in this casting, it's very nice and special. It does shine a lot. I think the wheels, they have been very well designed. The shape of the alloys, if you look at it, and it's very well done. The shape of the alloys, it's something unique. You don't really get to see a lot of this. Also, one thing which I always like, I mention it in my videos also, that if the logo of the brand is there in the center of the wheels, in the hub, so that is a cool, nice detail to add in 64 scale. Some 18 scale cars also do not have it, so that is also good. Rubber tires, this has got. Mirror detailing is good. I hope these are slightly flexible. Yes, these are slightly flexible mirrors and nice and free rolling, no problem there. I'll first show you the top angle. The top angle is pretty cool because this is a supercar, sports car. It's got a very flat nose, so you can appreciate the headlamp details. Also, when I show you the top angle, you can appreciate the roof details and also engine details. We'll get to that in a bit. First, let's have a look at it from the front. If we look at it from the front, there are carbon touches which look good. The grille is good. It's got a small minuscule Jaguar logo up there, so that is very nice. I think probably this is a better angle to look at it. And then we just have a look here. You can again appreciate the paint finish in this. It's so shiny, especially when you take it in outdoor lighting. The headlamp detailing is something which I love personally. The way it has been done, it's very nice. Plastic inserts, proper plastic inserts. Also a very good angle to look at the wheels. They look so good. Wiper detailing and all, also a little bit of interior detailing that is also there. Door handle detailing, of course, very well done. Then we come on to the rear. I think the kind of car this Jaguar is, it's never easy to replicate a rear of such a car, but Mini GT has done a good job. They have added proper plastic insert tail lamps and they are very well fit. Not many panel gaps out there. Then probably I show you from this angle. You can appreciate the engine detailing. The way Jaguar is written up there with the carbon fiber touch, that's so cool. We've got the Jaguar logo also, which is nice. Diffuser detailing a little bit at the rear. Not too many details, but also not too bland. Somewhere in the middle. Not too many details at the base, but yes, sufficient. It's got all the necessary information and also a little bit of detailing. It's a lot better than some of the models which we have seen recently, which are totally plain. So these are the first impressions of this Jaguar CX75 in blue color by Mini GT. I think it's a great new addition to their lineup, and also the details are not disappointing. These are very good, and even the color, I really like the shade and also the paint quality and paint finish. I personally am very happy to add this to my collection. Let me know if you guys like Jaguars. Do you plan to add this to your collection? If yes, is this the right color for you, or you're waiting for the orange one, or you've got some other in mind? I'm really looking forward to hear your views on this after watching this video. I hope this has been able to give you an in-depth idea about what this casting is going to look like in your hands, and I hope this helps you in making a decision. Thank you for watching.